Here are two new camping lantern fan, and they are same model, but they have different charging option. And this one is battery operated, and this one is rechargeable. The function of these two are same. And for this battery operated, it is dry battery, and on the bottom, here has 4 battery. Yeah. And this one is rechargeable. For the rechargeable one, here has a here is USB input and output port. This one can also charge for your phone. And I will show you the light function and the fan function. In the here has 2 buttons. One is for the fan and another is for the light. And for the fan, they have 4 modes. This is low speed, middle, high. And the last one is we call the sleeping mode. Just when you sleep in the when you are outdoor, and they will use as this mode. Yeah, okay. And this is the light function, have 2 brightness. Yeah, the light and the fan can operate in the meantime. Okay, these are 2 models, and also you can rotate it. Here also can be rotated. Yeah. And on the bottom, this has a hook. Can be used. Yeah, okay. This can be hooked in your tent.